Welcome to aminacademy.com. An inverse trigonometric complex hyperbolic functions will derive sine h inverse x and cot h inverse z. The inverse hyperbolic sine function is the solution to the equation here z equal sine h w. From this we can say sine h inverse z equal to w. We have to write the formula for sine h inverse z, hyperbolic sine. Now let v equal e power w. From this, first right here, next z equal sine h inverse sine hw. Sine hw expression in terms of e is e power w minus e power minus w over 2. Now we let v equal e power w, then we can say the equation equal v minus 1 over v equal to z. Here that is e power w minus e power minus w equal to z. Therefore e power w is v, e power minus w is 1 over v. From this the equation become like multiply throughout v, we have v square minus 2zw minus 1 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. By using quadratic formula, we can say the solution b equal z plus 1 plus z square power half. By using quadratic formula, we solve this. Now, since z is a complex variable, therefore we can say 1 plus z square power half is the complex square root function. This is the multi-valued function. Multi-valued function with two possible values that differ by an overall minus sign. Hence, we do not explicitly write out the plus or minus sign in equation. To avoid ambiguity, we shall write v equal z plus 1 plus z square power half, which is equal z plus 1 plus z square whole power half. We can write e power half ln 1 plus z square. Which is further equal z plus e power half ln 1 plus z square plus I arg 1 plus z square. Therefore, that the solution we equal z plus 1 plus z square whole power half e power half or 1 plus z square is a solution for v. By definition, v equal to e power w, from which is follows that w equal to len v equal len of z plus 1 plus z square whole power half e power len half square, then e power I by 2 or 1 plus z square. So I by 2 here. Therefore you can write generally sine h inverse z is equal len z plus 1 plus z square whole power half e power I by 2 arg 1 plus z square. This is a expression for sine h inverse x in complex. Sine h inverse z. Z is a complex function. The principal value of inverse hyperbolic sine function is obtained by employing the principal value of the logarithm and the principal value of the square root function, which correspond to employing the principal value of the argument. Thus, we define this sine h inverse is this. Now, similarly, we can prove for cos h inverse z equal len z plus z squared minus 1 whole power half e power I by 2 arg z squared minus 1. This is a expression for cos h inverse z by same principle sine h inverse z. Now, this is for we derive sine h inverse z and cos h inverse z formula. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.